If you're thinking about buying Compliancely, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before making that decision. By the end of this video, you'll have all the insight you need to determine if this software is the right fit for your business or compliance needs. Stick around because I'll also compare it with some of the biggest competitors to help you understand exactly how Compliancely stacks up. First off, Compliancely is a comprehensive compliance management tool. It simplifies the often complex process of managing legal, regulatory, and industry-specific requirements. The platform is designed to streamline your compliance tasks, making it easier for businesses to stay on top of ever-changing laws and regulations. But here's where things get interesting. Unlike some competitors like vComply or LogicGate, Compliancely puts a major emphasis on user-friendliness and ease of setup. You don't need to be a compliance expert to get started, which is a big plus for smaller businesses or teams without a dedicated compliance officer. Next thing to consider, pricing. While Compliancely isn't the cheapest option out there, it's certainly not the most expensive either. It's designed for businesses that want a balance between affordability and robust functionality. When compared to similar platforms like GRC software, which can have steep pricing, Compliancely gives you a lot of value for your investment, especially when you take into account the features it offers. The third thing you should know about Compliancely is its customizability. Unlike some of the competitors that offer one-size-fits-all solutions, Compliancely allows you to tailor the platform to fit your business's specific compliance needs. Whether you're in healthcare, finance, or another regulated industry, you can adjust workflows, reports, and alerts to meet your exact requirements. This level of flexibility is one of the reasons why it's gaining traction among businesses with unique compliance needs. Now let's talk integrations. Compliancely integrates with major platforms like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Office 365. If you're already using these tools, you'll appreciate how easily it connects with your existing systems. The fourth thing to keep in mind is that while Compliancely offers a solid set of integrations, it's not as extensive as some of the larger compliance management tools out there. So, if your business relies heavily on specialized software for your operations, it's worth checking if Compliancely integrates with those specific systems. The fifth thing you need to know is that Compliancely provides real-time tracking and reporting. This is a huge time saver for businesses that need to stay on top of deadlines and regulatory changes. With real-time dashboards and automatic updates, it helps reduce the risk of human error and makes the whole compliance process much more efficient. This feature sets it apart from some competitors that still rely on static reports or manual tracking. Sixth, let's discuss customer support. Compliancely offers support through multiple channels, including email, chat, and a comprehensive knowledge base. What's impressive is the responsiveness of their support team. While competitors may take days to get back to you, Compliancely prides itself on providing fast and helpful responses, making sure you're never left stuck with a compliance issue. Finally, it's important to mention Compliancely's free trial. Unlike many competitors who lock key features behind paywalls, Compliancely offers a completely free trial, allowing you to test out the software and see if it fits your business's needs without any commitment. This is a rare offering in the compliance software space and gives you the chance to explore the platform risk-free. So, what's the bottom line? Compliancely is a great choice for businesses that want an easy-to-use, customizable, and affordable compliance management platform. It's particularly useful for small to mid-sized businesses that want to streamline their compliance processes without the complexity or high cost of bigger tools. If you want to give Compliancely a try for yourself, click the first link in the description below. You'll get the best free trial available, along with some exclusive benefits to help you get started.